Morning, family. It's Ham's Loft. It's Monday. It's my day off, believe it or not. Got a new run, so everything is a little different. But had the guy clean the yard. Well, not really clean the yard, just cut the yard. Got my stuff stacked over there. Clean that. I did not feed the birds yesterday. You can see them going crazy. And you can see my young birds. They're sitting in the thing, but I did that on purpose because I knew today I was going to go ahead and try to let the birds out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let the birds out, the young birds out, and see what happens. I'm going to put pause and unhook everything on the pin up top. Then I'll come back and start it back. They jump down. Let's take it off. They think it's time to eat, but I'm gonna just hit pause and see what well, got a few that came out. I did the hawk look around already. There wasn't nothing going on. So I'm gonna keep this. Oh wow, you seen the one, he went through the drop trap, through the Sputnik trap. Shout out to the guy who told me it was a Sputnik. I just said drop trap, but we just call it what it is, Sputnik. If the Sputnik trap does well, it's probably was what I'm gonna use for the race. I'll just move it over, or just move the antenna over in front of the Sputnik. I'm gonna probably feed the old birds and entice them to come out and look around and everything. But I'm gonna hit pause for right now because they ain't doing nothing. And I want you to look at them just not doing nothing. Only a few came out so far. Grizzle, 3 on the roof. There's a couple in the tree. I didn't scare nobody yet. I was just trying to get some feed out for the other birds. I was feeding the old birds, and one of them got out right there. And then the young birds. They are really friendly. Got my lounge chair and my red, who keeps coming over here because they know his food. Birds are still out, and Mr. Redtail is too. Right there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there flying over. And I'm sitting out here, old bird right there. And my young birds right there. I was gonna bring the trough out, the feeding tray out, and let them play with it for a while, but since I seen the hawk right there, there's no sense in bringing out no more birds. I'm gonna let them come out on their own. We only had a total of about 10 come out. Everybody's in except for them 4. I'm gonna go ahead and try something different. I'm gonna pull the feeder tray out and see if they follow me out. Cause it was a couple of kernels underneath the feeding tray when I moved it. Feeding tray out there, a little corner, few little kernels that was right there, so you can tell they're hungry. But I'm just gonna see what they do. I can always chase them in from the top, but I want to see if they even come out. I don't think they're scary, so we'll see. I ain't gonna be doing that all day. We're gonna just let them see what they do. All right, peace. Everyone knows what happened. Every bird was almost out. They was walking around. I got some right there, some in the tree. One of them I heard hit my screen on the other side. I had my dang on live trap open and a bird jumped on top of it. And there you go. It made that noise. Birds went everywhere. So we're just gonna let that bird out and call it a day and See how they react in a few minutes. Well, family, they've been out for quite a few hours. It's later. Uh, Pretty much everybody's been out. I got some that I added to the stock. That one right there, it's got a green snap band. It's been out flying. They probably been in this section for maybe a couple of days. I was gonna grab them before I let them out, but oh well. It is what it is. Gonna go on and try to give them some food and see how they react. Well, I'll try to get most of them in. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.